Okay, good morning, guys. It is another day. So, today we are going dialect. We are going to start with crash 1000. So, let us proceed, guys. As I have shared with you my analysis yesterday, and it going as we expected. So, you see, we're on a daily basis, prices is still going down, and our take profit, it's around here. So, this will be our take profit. So let us proceed, guys. So based on our strategy, we shall start from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. So that is what we call top-down analysis. So let us start this price action, guys. So first of all, guys, make sure you zoom in so that we can see what it is going on here around here. So you see, here we are having impulsive leg to the downside, then something like a tight frag here to the downside, impulsive. So you see, and again here we had this correction. So we understand what is the nature. What is the nature is telling us it is like this, guys. It is impulsive, then tight frag, continuation to the downside. Then here we are having this kind of consolidation here. Then here it breaks here, tight frag again, boom to the downside. Then here, this was the big correction to the downside. So as long as we understand the nature, it's like this, guys. So when we are talking about the nature, we are talking about impulsive phase correction. Sorry, we are talking about impulsive phase correction, then impulsive correction, impulsive to the downside. So this is what we are talking about the nature theory. So you see now, you understand that now we are in which phase, which is impulsive phase to the downside. So around this price level, guys, you can see here we are having this kind of tight frag. So you see, after this price impulsive to the downside, then we had this continuation frag. It was a bearish frag, then boom to the downside. Then here we are having this consolidation. So what are we expecting here? This price will move to the downside as this nature is telling us. So keep on your mind that this is the nature. So let us proceed, guys. So now we have understood that we are in which phase, which is impulsive phase. Price is going down. So I will take my trend line here, then I will draw it to this point. So I'm going to spot this kind of correction here. So you see, now we are going to the 80 hours time frame. So on this time frame, we shall see what you can't see it on the daily basis. So we are going to this time frame and make sure you zoom it. So now we are going to zoom it in. Then we are going to tweak our trend lines here. So make it simple and clear. So you see, something like this. So this was the impulsive break to the downside. Then around here, we're having this kind of tight frag. So it was a bearish frag. So you see, it was a bearish frag to the downside. So as I have told you guys, this is the nature. You can't avoid the nature. It is impulsive phase, then a correction, impulsive phase, sorry, impulsive phase, correction, sorry, the impulsive phase, correction, impulsive, then a correction, impulsive. So this is the nature. You can't avoid the nature, guys. Make sure you keep it on your mind. So you see, what are we expecting here? We are expecting this price, it will break it here, then in correction to the downside. But for us, we took this trade around, it was evening yesterday. So now we are running almost 1 40 plus pips in profit. So let us proceed, guys. So now, guys, what are we going to do? I'm going to take my trend line, then we are going to draw this from this starting point of this correction up to this point. So you see, this is our correction, the starting point of correction. So this point, it will be our taking profit. So it will be here. Our taking profit done, it will be around this price level. So what are we going to do next, guys? Make sure you tweak your trend lines. What are we going to do next? We are going to H4 time frame. So within this time frame, guys, we shall see more data is. So let us proceed, guys. On H4 time frame, guys, now you can see something like this. So we are going to tweak our horizontal ray line here. So I will put it there. Then I'm going to tweak this trend line again here. So you see, like this. Then now we are going to tweak this frag. So you see. Then again we are going to tweak this trend lines. Something like this. So you see, now we're having the good structure, as you can see. So what are we going to do next, guys? We know that this is a correction phase. So, and on this phase, we only need 2 touches as confirmation to take this trade. So you can see here, guys, after this impulsive move to the downside, then price, we are starting to correct around this price level. So this was a first touch, then second touch. What are we expecting? Boom to the downside. So we know that this price must reach this starting point. So what are we going to do here? We are going to measure our risk and reward ratio. So remember, this trade, guys, someone could took it along this price level, and your stop loss could be above there, above that correction phase. Then you are taking profit up to this point, up to this point. So you see, so it will be like this, guys. So our risk, we are going to risk almost 1%. Then our reward ratio, it will be around 6%. So this is a good trade, and it has got good reward ratio. So whenever you want to take the trade, make sure you are satisfied with the reward ratio according to your planning. So you have to understand that how much you are going to lose and how much you are going to gain on that trade. So please, guys, make sure you are subscribing the channel so that you will be the first one to watch the next videos, and make sure you like and you comment what you want to do, so we can improve and do what is good. So I wish you all the best, guys. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel public so that we can have something good to share. I wish you all the best, guys. So thank you for your time, guys. See you next time. Thank you.